Ever wondered if there's a way to check your laptop's battery health, just like iPhones show battery percentage? Well, there is. Search for run, type command, and press enter. Now type in this command. This creates a battery report file on your user folder. Now just open it. Scroll to install batteries and check the cycle count. Compare design capacity versus full charge capacity. This shows how much your battery has worn down. Low cycle count and full capacity means new battery. High cycle count or reduced capacity means used or degraded battery. For example, my current laptop shows low cycles and full capacity health, which means it is in good condition, while my old laptop shows high cycles and reduced capacity, clear indication of laptop battery degradation. This test is useful not just for checking your laptop's own battery health, but also to catch dealers selling showroom display units as new laptops. So if you see used cycles, the laptop's been used before. And if you're buying a second-hand laptop, this tells you exactly how much the battery and the laptop has been through. Good to know, right? Subscribe for more.